Remember the hereafter. Remember.
During 2023, the next solar eclipse will occur on Saturday, October 14th. This solar eclipse will be visible in some of the countries of North and South American continents. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are the signs of Allah Almighty. On the day when the beloved son of Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam, Sayyidina Ibrahim radiyallahu ta'ala anhu passed away, sun eclipse occurred. It was a superstition of Arabs that the sun or moon eclipsed due to some important person's death or some huge mishap, hence due to old Arab beliefs. It was thought that it occurred because of the sadness of the death of Sayyidina Ibrahim radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam led the salah of solar eclipse, and then he said, the sun and the moon are the signs of Allah Almighty. They do not eclipse because of someone's death or life. So when you see them, invoke Allah Almighty, glorify Him, perform salah and give sadaqah. Hence, we should repent, do istighfar and perform salah on these occasions. Salah for solar eclipse is sunnate muakkada and salah for lunar eclipse is mustahab. Solar and lunar eclipse have absolutely no effect on pregnancy. Hence, one should refrain from these sorts of superstitions. From scientific point of view, the solar eclipse occurred when the moon is positioned between the sun and the earth, obscuring the light of the sun either completely or partially. Saturday, October 14th, 2023, the solar eclipse will cross the North, the Central, and Southern America. It will be visible in the United States, Mexico, and many countries in the Southern and Central America. The solar eclipse, according to GMT, begins at 1503, reaching its maximum at 1759, and it ends at 2055. Note that the salah for solar eclipse is sunnate muakkada. Care should be taken during the prohibited time. This solar eclipse will not be visible in Pakistan. Starting and ending time of solar eclipse in some region is as follows.
You are here and what you are after, and what you are after.